the drama.
Relive the magic.
Friday Madness.
Magic 89.9.
Brenda Holloway on Friday Madness. And dude, this song is 8 minutes long, so we can talk. Like right now, ladies and gentlemen, joining me this afternoon from the comedy crew, Mr. Israel Bueno Obra.
Hello from the comedy crew. Wala ako sa camera ngayon kasi lumipat ako. Inaasar ko yung nag-ooperate
lagot ka
ng
kay Direk.
cam.
Direk
sir.
Alvin, hi.
Okay lang yan.
Happy Valentine's Day,
Happy Valentine's. Happy Valentine's.
Valentine's.
Sino kumanganta? Si Brenda ano?
Si Brenda Holloway.
Oh,
Yeah, give me a
haba ng
little
kanta.
inspiration for the people out there, inspired people out there.
What's longer yung kantang yan? Na anong title niya? Sorry. Anong title niya? Anong title niya?
Give me a little inspiration.
Give me a... Sorry, yung pala yun. Okay.
Oh, or?
November Rain.
Oh my gosh, good point. Well, you know what?
Na parehong pag-ibig ang pinag-uusapan.
You know what? November Rain, though, I think is only... I could be wrong.
Alam
Hold
ko
on.
9 minutes in November Rain.
There's another 8 minutes and 44 seconds.
44
You know what?
November
This might be
Rain.
long. This might be longer.
Oo.
There's another one. The Meatloaf song.
I can
would do
anything for love.
I would do anything for love.
Oo.
That's another long song.
Na alam ko kung bakit ano yon, pero ayoko pag-usapan on air.
Oh.
Oh, do you know what he won't do for love? He will do. Palitado
Did you
yung
guys
90s
catch
pa. No 90s yan talaga eh. Inamin naman niya sa isang interview yun eh.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Inamin niya sa isang
Okay.
interview yun.
If you guys know what we're talking about, if
Yeah.
you want to know,
Meatloaf.
Google it.
Meatloaf, who, by the way, if hindi nyo kilala si Meatloaf, if you saw the movie Fight Club, siya yung
Wait,
big
he's
guy doon.
there?
Yeah, siya yung big guy with, kasi nag-backfire yung kanyang treatment. So meron siyang, he grew breasts.
Oh my gosh,
Yung
that's
big
him.
guy na yun, si Robert
my
Fulton, yun yung
gosh.
pangalan ng character niya.
Wow.
Yun siya, si Meatloaf yun.
So he fought with Brad Pitt?
Yes.
Oh, man.
Oh.
Ooh, I
But
should
he won't-
rewatch that.
But he won't do that.
Everybody on
Meatloaf.
playback are waiting. They're waiting for you guys. And of course, because he's number one, he's a little
Parating na yun.
superstar.
Guys, hindi niyo lang po alam yung pinagdadaanan ni Aris ngayon kung
gosh.
gaano siya kasaya at ka-busy at ang daming kumakausap sa kanya. Hindi niyo lang po alam.
Oh, and of course,
napakaganda.
I saw,
Yeah.
yeah. Super happy for him.
If we're number one tomorrow, we're number one for a week na. Tama ba ako?
Okay, so
Seven-
that's,
No. On Saturday dapat.
so tomorrow.
So saan? Ano ba ngayon?
It's Friday.
Right. Kailan natin nirelease?
Oh, it's been
Feb 7 eh. Oh.
So a week na.
Hindi, kasi nag-number one siya 24 hours after.
Oh, okay. So sad. Guys, could you remind us, was it Saturday or Sunday when Tamang Panahon
I
reached
think-
number one?
Ay, hindi. Number one siya nung Sunday pala, sorry. Saturday, nag-number 2 siya.
And of course, he's the first Filipino comedian.
First pure Pinoy
Oh
comedian.
my goodness.
Na
So we're
nag-number one sa charts.
we're
ng,
celebrating
ng,
today.
ano,
I put on my
Netflix.
best top.
Yan,
Hopefully, he
oh.
doesn't have much to say about this.
Comment sa mga nakakita sa playback. And saan pa ba tayo nakakita?
Sa mata.
Sa mata. Yan yung mga sinasabi ko. Kaya ka naaasar Tina eh. Okay, comment naman sa outfit ni outfit check, Miss Tina.
Fit check.
Hindi na
Fit
siya
check.
hindi na siya Cortina, Tina na siya ngayon. Mukha na siya Tina.
Hi, Mike. I saw a good friend of mine at a friend's birthday last week. Just so nice to see him. Hi, Mike Tanto. And let's have lunch or let's grab a bite sometime at
always-
717 Deli.
I'm always up for lunch.
I still have to bring you guys there. 717 Deli over in Connecticut, Green Hills.
Mabilis ang pagkain dyan kasi deli.
Di naman nalata.
Ay, masarap ang mga deli, mga sandwiches. Nakita niyo ba? Wait, bago ka
Go.
Nakita niyo ba yung ginawang remake ng, well, hindi naman remake siya, pero yung scene ni, ano pa to, Billy Crystal at saka ni
Oh my gosh, Meg Ryan.
Meg Ryan
From,
sa,
what is that? Super Bowl.
sa Super Bowl.
When Harry
naman
Met
siya.
Sally movie, yeah.
Hallman's mayo.
Yeah.
Ang ginamit nila. Yun. Ang ganda ng
Let's see. Let's see if we can get the same feedback.
Oo, hindi ko alam sa Hallman's mayo, pero
Meron ba nun dito? I don't think they even have it.
alam ko meron sa mga groceries, meron din.
Really?
Oh, QP
Okay.
pa rin ako.
QP.
QP
Oo.
ba?
Ano ba? QP? Is it QP,
QPie?
guys? QPie?
Oo, basta yung may bata dun sa, again, hindi
The
siya-
Japanese mayo, you guys. Okay?
hindi porket may bata sa labas, yun yung laman sa loob. Hindi siya parang Alaska rin. Kasi ganun, di ba? Kung ano yung label sa labas, yun daw yung laman sa loob. Hindi siya yung QP mayo, hindi rin yung Alaska.
Oh my gosh, let's say hi to everybody on Playback Israel. We have, whew, Okay,
nila.
I can't even keep up anymore. We have Joe Boy and Ace Carlin, Femery and Jing. Hold on. Hold on. Okay. Do you have anybody to say hi to? Bakuna Blouse says Barbs. Hi, Barbs. Hi, EJ. And we have Robbie. Let's see. I backtracked too much.
Si Ronnie ba yun?
Ronnie who? Hi, Dawn. There's Karen. And, oh crap, hold on.
Wow, yun ang pinakasosyal na Karen na nakilala.
Crystal, who's in Davao.
Yoy, Davao,
Mr.
hello.
Ahente is in Bahrain. Hi, Amicus. Ryan is, I don't know what. Hi, Cindy. And a lot more. Give me one. Andre and Sweet Tooth and Oops Marb and ako si Ana. Aaron, hi to the passengers, Ina and Ivy. Happy Valentine's to you all. Miss J. Is it J. Ann? Hi. Wants to hear All for One. I can love you like that. All for one? Okay. Sige. Yeah, I said hi already to Mr. Ahenta in Bahrain, right? Ganet.
Bahrain.
Bahrain.
Yeah.
Ayan. JP from Pandakan.
Uy,
Sweet Tooth.
JP.
Buti pa kayo, may hi Pepper in Israel. Sweet
Oy.
Tooth, don't do you not see me on ako wala, Sweet Tooth. I don't exist. Hi, Negatron. Again, we're live on playback.tv/mega
the best name.
899. Ayan. Okay. So, if you want to hear anything, let us know. Is there anything in particular you want to talk about?
Wala
Since
naman.
it's Valentine's
Ang ganda
Day?
lang nung nag-trigger lang ako sa pangalan ni Negatron.
Bakit?
Hindi kasi natutuwa ako na big fan of the Transformers franchise eh.
I definitely appreciated the very first one. In fact, it almost brought me to tears when Megatron started like talking. I was like, oh, you know, it's like
Megatron,
straight back to my childhood days.
I always think
And then
na sana merong Pinoy
Na ano?
na Transformers.
Oh, really?
Wala eh.
Okay.
Wala eh. Pero kasi
This is where I
would understand
This is where I
kasi,
tell you to stretch because I don't have a next song.
I would understand kasi na walang Pinoy Transformer kasi pag dito sila naka-base, pag nag-transform sila, may nawawalang parts lagi. Kaya oh my God, Optimus, wala na naman yung side mirror ko. Ganun sila, di ba?
Well, wait, Negatron is asking, what are your thoughts on Jenny and what
Who's
is this?
Jenny? Jenny Ao, DJ Jenny Ao.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah, it was
Okay, physical violence is never the answer.
Oo naman,
guys.
oo naman. Mali yun.
Whatever they fought about, I just don't think anybody deserves physical violence.
Well, both ways, guy to the girl.
Also,
girl
definitely.
to the guy,
And you know
girl.
what? It also, I mean, I guess some guys just don't have, I don't know, maybe the
Control? Parang,
the balls to be open about physical abuse also from their spouses,
yeah.
diba? But there are cases.
nakakahiya kasing complaint sa ano yan eh, sa police.
Oo.
Yung pinugbog ka. Pag ganito katawan mo lalo, pag ganito katawan mo. Chip, paano ko ba sabihin? Sino nabugbog sa'yo?
Misis ka pa.
Ganun siya.
Hi, Boy. Boy says it's God's plan for you to for you, Jenny, to get hurt. Uy, grabe, Boy.
no.
Walang ganyan.
Ganyan.
Oh. Wait, you know what? Word up. Alex Calleja is late. That's the word up. But he's coming, you guys.
Oo, para din siya.
Club Nouveau on Friday Madness, only here on Magic 89.9. You got Tina Ryan and
Israel Buenabra of the Comedy Crew.
I'm surprised you didn't bring anyone from the Comedy Crew. So should we still call this the T-Gang show?
Tigang pa rin to. Tigang pa rin. Kasi ako plural na ako eh. Plural na ako. Kita mo naman, represent Comedy Crew shirt. Kita mo naman yan.
Whatever, I still want my
Kaso
shirt.
lang wala akong suot na undergarment sa loob ng shirt ko. Tingnan mo. Baka nakahalata niyo po sa screen.
Badan is here from Jensen. Hi, Badan. Also the winner.
Hoy.
Poison wants to hear by Belva DeVoe. Okay, I'll look for it. Jay, your cousin, does your cousin have a name? Her cousins took third wheeling. Jay and RJ and our friends at Kambal Pandesal, best pandesal ever.
Uy.
Yeah. Ryan, Ryan's tuned in. Congratulations. They launched they launched the new Geely, I guess, branch in ano ba?
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
Yesterday, yeah.
Kotse naman dyan. yung
If
bang ano,
only it was that
yung bang
easy.
kambal pandesal, ano ba yung kambal nila? Paternal o
Ano ba?
identical?
It's Pandelitos. Did I say Kambal Pandesal?
Oo.
Oh my gosh! Because that was my old bakery. That was so goner. I'm talking about Pandelitos.
Pandelitos.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Ang pandelitos kasi mas
Sorry,
malaki yun eh.
bud. Yeah, sorry.
Oo.
The Pandelitos is the tiny one. It's so yummy.
Nasisingkot ko nga lang yun sa liit.
Di na kailangan pa naman.
Oo. Pandelitos.
Mama Dada
Di
also
na kailangan ng
watching.
palaman,
She's in Frisco. Yvette. Guess where Yvette's from?
Sa Pampanga.
Hindi,
ko alam.
Parañaque.
Parañaque lang. Frisco. Hindi ko nga kailangan. Hi, Yvette. Sorry.
Oh my gosh, yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, I did say the other. bakery.
Nabanggit mo si RJ kanina. Nakikinig kaya si RJ tsaka si Mikey. Hi, RJ.
Oh, no,
Mikey.
that's another RJ. I have two RJ friends. I have two RJ friends. But I met Israel during Mikey's birthday.
Yes. Yung sa yate.
This was pre-pandemic.
Pre-pandemic.
Yeah.
2019, I think.
Yeah, we
Or
were in a
2018.
yacht.
Oo.
Kala nyo, masaya.
Kala nyo masaya.
Kala nyo masaya sa yate.
Maalon. Nakatali ako dun sa release ng yate.
I didn't take Bonamine.
As cheers
I was
kami.
miserable.
Alala mo yun, cheers tayo ng glass sabay hindi nagtatama kasi gumaganon lang yung ano eh. Yung barko
Yeah.
magano tayo.
It's all for show. If I were to, I don't know, hit the lottery, I'll probably, you know what? I'll get a pontoon. You know what a pontoon is?
Yun ba yung ano?
There's
May dalawang ganon? May
yeah,
dalawang,
and it's like super slow, like relax lang.
Yan siguro, kung sobrang yaman ako, yan siguro ang pinakahuli sa mga bibiling ko.
Yacht.
Yate, barko or anything na ganon.
No, and also the
Unahin ko aeroplano.
upkeep is so expensive.
Tingin ko rin, yeah.
Jay should know. Jay, right? It is very expensive. You have to be like crapping money out of your butt
Oo.
to own a yacht because it's not cheap.
Ang hirap niyan. Ang hirap ng ganyan.
Yeah. But anyway, please join us. We're here to play you the bangers from the past, 80s and 90s.
At syempre, nakatune in din yung mga abangers natin dahil Valentine's ngayon. Tandaan nyo, guys, maraming hindi sisiputin ng mga dating, ha? Abang-abang lang.
Congratulations, by
Abang-abang.
the way, you guys are going to be performing tonight.
Tonight at Miramar Hotel. Sold out na po.
Yeah,
Pasensya
sold
na.
out.
Pero
Again,
what's not sold out is, I think, mga 50 tickets na lang siya.
in Singapore?
Singapore.
Ooh.
50 tickets na lang po ang remaining. If you have friends, family in Singapore, please
And when is
tell
that
them.
happening?
On Sunday, February 16, Ticketmaster.sg. Ticketmaster.sg.
Oh my gosh, that's okay. So that's why you guys are flying out.
We'll be leaving tomorrow morning. Yun.
Pops, let's go back to Boyie's message because I didn't finish
nga.
it. Okay, I'm sorry because somebody was asking us about what our take is on the DJ Jenny and the fiance. Boyie's
na ba yun?
message. It's God's plan for you, Jenny, to get hurt. I'm sure one day you will get the victories and blessings for letting go.
naman.
Yeah, it didn't sound right.
The first time that we
the
saw,
first time.
nakat din namin.
Yeah,
Sorry.
sorry.
Oo.
I reacted too quickly.
Parang it was also God's plan na makat namin yung message na yon. Ngayon, you were given the proper highlight, boy. Yun din yun.
Okay.
Okay, di ba?
My request for myself is to play You Were Meant For Me by Jewel. Thank you. Pang Valentine's yung playlist. Wow, okay.
Si
Ace.
Trailer
Okay.
Swift, si Jewel.
Oh my gosh.
For a while, she was homeless din, di ba? Jewel.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, for a while. She was living in her car. Hindi yung whole shtick niya nun. Ano.
Is she still dating? Oh, no. There was a rumor a few months ago that she was kind of seeing Kevin Costner.
Well, she should see a dentist. Sorry. Maganda si Jewel. Para siyang budget Blake Lively. Blake Lively siya. Pero maganda siya. Crush ko siya noon.
Wait, let me...
Crush ko siya noon.
What does she look like? Why
Talaga,
does she need to go see a
Kevin
dentist?
Costner?
Hold on. Yeah, hold on.
Talaga. Maganda si Jewel.
Jewel.
May hawig sila ni Blake Lively, tingin ko.
Oh, yeah. I'm not liking Blake Lively right
lang
now.
sila mag-smile. Oh, si Blake Lively. Pero,
Hi, Fred, all the way in London. Oh, speaking of London,
sige, ikaw muna.
my friend's daughter is gonna be at the. She's gonna be starring in a play, West End.
Wow.
Yeah, hold on.
Pangarap ko rin para sa anak ko.
Kiara,
congratulations.
Kiara Dario is gonna be part of the West End cast of The Great Gatsby. So Fred, support. Tell your friends to go watch your West End London.
Maganda yan. Gatsby, di ba yung sa book yan?
Diba?
Hindi, pero maganda yung play na yan.
Hi, Valentina. It's her birthday today.
Happy
Hello
birthday.
from your brother, Dennis. And please play Love Sensation by 911. Thanks and happy Valentine's Day from Just Jen. Yaki wants your colors. Colors Nevermind. Oh, how funny that I have it lined up
Meron
already.
na. Pero nasabi mo kayo na sandali lang ang London.
Oh, what about
Claim ko na ngayon. Alam ko ang underworks pa pero mukhang magkakaroon kami ng Europe
No
tour.
way.
Yes. This year.
OMG.
Oo.
You guys are killing it.
I think may naka-line up na at least apat na shows.
Oh my.
Europe tour.
Can you
Hindi ko pa masabi lahat.
at least the countries? No, not yet. Okay.
Baka,
Okay.
baka ano eh.
Well, keep us in the loop, you guys. But for now, suspense muna.
Suspense mo.
Let the suspense kill us. Oh.
Ukraine daw. Nag-ceasefire na.
Hi to Alex also. He's tuned in again via playback.
TV.
Playback.
Playback.
Playback.tv/magic899. We're live there as well. Trapped in a stairway. Tina, please. Okay, may please eh. Ano bang pangangailangan ni Ben?
Request ba talaga yun? Or talagang trap siya sa stairway? Baka mamaya humingi ng tulong yan. Ito lang yung way para makipag-communicate siya. Tanungin mo muna, request ba yan? Or are you asking for help?
Oh. Is that a call for help?
Mahirap na.
But you know what? Someone asked for this one. Ooh, you remember this one?
You asked for it.
You asked for it, you got it. Here we go. Never mind. Israel Bunaobra, comedy crew with me. Hopefully Alex is on his way.
On his way, yes.
Iba na talaga pag superstar, no? Wow. Meetings left and right. What can I say? Exhibit talaga to,
Exhibit.
Exhibit. How's my outfit, Exhibit? Pasado ba?
Fit check.
Fit check. Can't wait for Alex to see it. The Coors on Friday Madness where we throw...
Dito nga sila?
Yeah, tomorrow and Sunday.
Wow.
I mean, yeah, that's right.
Hindi, sakto wala kami dito. Wala kami show tomorrow and Sunday.
I know because you guys will be in Singapore.
Singapore.
Yeah. But the tour is called...
Tumawag yung manager nila na, andyan ba kayo sa comedy crew? Sabi nila, wala. O, pwede kayo mag-show? Okay lang.
From Manila with Love Tour. I mean, the Filipinos love the Coors, man.
Yes, nakita mo
Always
yung mga
sold out.
viral videos nila na yung kumakanta yung crowd with them. As parang naiiyak siya. Ang galing, no?
Like this... Yeah, Maroon 5, I never got to see because it's always sold out. Now the Coors. But wait lang. Israel Bunaobra of the comedy crew with me on Friday Madness. Talaga full name.
Oh.
Because Mr. Emil Sumangos tuned in. Oh,
Full name din.
gosh, full name. Sir
din.
Emil.
Sir Emil.
And everyone, the Kapuso Action Man team tuned in. Hi to Sir Alvin Lacson, J.R. Gonzalez, Mona de la Paz, and again to Sir Emil Sumangio. Oh my
Sir
gosh.
Emil.
Yes, I try to
Saludo.
catch him once in a while on YouTube since I don't have cable.
Kami rin. Ako rin. I don't
Cable,
have-
but you have TV.
No, wala.
Oh, okay. I have TV. I just don't have cable. So I
I'm-
watch my news on YouTube and TikTok.
Siguro may ano na ako, 15 years na akong hindi nag-TV.
Yeah, me too. I haven't subscribed.
Walang cable, wala.
Okay. So you get your
Sa
news.
lahat, sa online. So fake news lahat ang... fake news lahat ang source ko.
Boy, GMA had a campaign against fake news
Oo naman,
last
oo
year.
naman.
We were Quest Broadcasting was part of it. So,
Unfortunately, I don't watch GMA, ABS, and lahat ng news outlets natin credible.
Because-
Joe Rogan ako. Lahat fake news.
I love Joe
Sinasabi ko na,
Rogan though. Oh my
He's
gosh.
slowly becoming the man that he doesn't want to be. Mayaman na siya eh. Sobrang yaman niya and nagiging out of touch na siya sa reality si Mr. Rogan. Pero yeah, what do you expect from a guy na nagpapakain ng ipis sa mga tao, di ba? Sa show niya, sa Fear Factor nun.
Oh.
Diba? Wala naman Fear Factor?
Of course, $50,000. Diba? Tapos they featured Balut. We're like, Balut.
Diba? Biro mo yun. Ano yun? Segment sa Fear Factor yung isang Pinoy delicacy na balot. Diba? Na maraming kakain ngayon dahil Valentine's, mga kaibigan.
Why
Valentine's.
Balut?
Kasi nga, sabi nga nila, diba? Ang balot ay pampatigas ng tuhod.
Tuhod. Yes.
At ng isa pang tuhod kasi dalawang tuhod natin.
Oh, that's right.
Yes.
Oo nga
At isa,
naman. Unless
hindi,
you're
ayoko na. Ayoko nang
amputee.
magdagdag. Ayoko na magdagdag ng kahit ano pa. ng isa pang teeth, ng teeth, yes. Oo,
Yeah,
kasi may
okay.
calcium ang balot.
Sure.
Oh, sure. Why not? Dahil Valentine's ang balot.
Hello to the comedy crew. Unfortunately, I can't access Alex's Tamang Panahon kasi wala pa sa region. But
Yes.
wait,
Oo.
somebody on Playback taught us how to access it.
Yes, through VPN siguro.
Something like that. Anybody from Playback, can you give us the code again or I guess it's the access code? Is
Parang
that
sa VPN.
Oo, something like that.
Officially, nirelease ang Tamang Panahon kasi sa, I think, up until India. Not sure.
Okay.
India, China. So, Southeast Asia. And then Oceania. So, tag ito, Australia and New Zealand. Yung other half ng mundo, that includes Middle East, Europe, and the Americas, wala po siya.
Okay.
So, you can access via VPN. Or i-pressure nyo po ang Netflix na i-release
I mean,
globally.
Email them or something.
O email them, make a protest. Ang galing-galing nating makisawsaw sa mga mga issue sa mundo. Ba't di natin gawing mag-viral to ng gusto?
That's right.
Lahat ng Pinoy magkaisa sa buong mundo, i-release globally ang Tamang Panahon. Yan ang gusto natin.
And as part of Comedy Crew Israel, how proud are you of Alex?
There are people na pag may na-achieve sila, na parang, alam mo, achievement niya, kahit kasama mo siya sa grupo, siya yun. Pero with Alex kasi, I don't know about
brings
this guy.
the whole group.
Mararamdaman mo na achievement ninyong lahat yun.
That's what I love about Alex. Dala kayo.
At saka yung production nun, kung saan siya na-record last October, yung birthday show niya.
Which was in
Maybank Theater. Four shows yun. Dalawang Maybank Theater, isang music museum, isang Tanghalang Haribon sa Alabang.
which none I caught.
Ay, busy ka. Pero lahat yun kasi, every time na we do this, yung theater shows, yun din yung parang pinaka-production talaga ng comedy crew na all hands on deck, tulong-tulong kami, ganyan. Hindi lang sa production mismo, pati yung pag-prepare ng mga jokes. Kasi ganun kami sa grupo eh. It's not censorship, it's not policing, pero we try as much as possible to contribute dun sa mga sets ng bawat komedyante na kasama namin.
So speaking of writing the jokes, did you write any jokes?
No. Alex
That's
writes his
all
own.
Alex?
Oh.
That's all Alex. Tamang Panahon, lahat.
Pero ang ginanda sa amin, what we do, we call comedians yung nagbabounce kami.
Yeah.
So ito, may mga na-contribute ako dun sa mga jokes na nagawa ni Alex. Dahil kabatuhan niya ako nung time na nangyari yun. From inception, na parang, shit, may nakita akong ganito ano kaya itong pupuntahan nito? So, yung golf. We were having coffee in Baguio sa
Okay.
Starbucks. Doon nagsimula, ang golf talaga pang mayaman na no?
Oh, yeah.
Oo, tapos ganyan. Pasok ka ng input
Were you guys
mo.
a Baguio Country Club?
No. Nasa kami? Sa yung unang Starbucks doon sa Baguio, doon sa loob ng Camp John Hay.
Okay.
Kaya kitang matatanaw mo yung golf course. Sa baba lang doon kasi may parang may parang driveway doon. So yun na. Nagsimula kami doon. Tapos ano kayang ginagawa ng mga golfers? Anong suot nila? Anong ginagawa nila? Anong iniisip nila?
And it's not a cheap sport. Outfit pala.
Yun. So yun, naipasok lahat ni Alex yun doon sa bit niya.
Good.
Marami yun. So, hindi lang yun. Marami pang isa pa. Kung hindi ko kaibigan, yung isang bar owner sa Dagupan, na ako yung nag-book para mag-perform ang The Comedy Crew
Yeah.
doon, hindi nangyari yung insidente na nagpo-perform si Alex, may maingay na kaibigan, yung kaibigan ko. And yun yung pumasok doon sa special niya, na naka-ponytail. Kung sa mga nakikinig, alam niyo to, siya yung naka-ponytail na nakamaong na jacket, na naka-shorts. Yun.
Okay.
Yun.
I
Nangyari yun kasi...
I just have to watch it again.
yeah.
I just have to watch it again. But hold that thought as I say hi to everyone. All the officers and staffs of Centralized Processing Division of Metrobank GT Tower, Makati City. From Melvin, Magic is celebrating our 39th year. Thank you, Ace Carl, for reminding us. Yes, I don't know what we're doing yet, but I'm sure we're going to be doing something. You're welcome, Yaki Bayoli. Shelly Bean, very pretty. May maharot po dito. Who's maharot? Is it my top? Hi, Robbie!
Who's maharot?
I know. Bagay sa malakas na ulan, pang bakuna daw Bakuna Day yan, Nino.
Ah,
my top you mean because off shoulder. Okay,
May access na
got
agad
it.
dun sa biceps ni Tina.
May,
Oo.
si Aaron, baka do pulmonyahin ako.
Hindi
Grabe.
siya pupulmonyahin. Hindi pulmonya. Kabag. Kakabagan siya. Kasi bitin din yung top niya eh. Nakahang din siya na kabag na kalalabasan nito.
Jane, is this Jainab? Hi, Jainab. Oh, I like that song. Asking for Something About You by Level 42. Listening from Kuwait pala to.
Kuwait.
I read Kuwait.
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 Kuwait, Cavite.
Hi, Godfrey.
Listening from Kuwait, Cavite.
Hello from Port Barton.
Port Barton yan. Hindi ko alam.
And,
Sorry. Hindi ko alam yung Barton.
Palawan.
Palawan? Barton?
Hi, Muffet. A beach song. What is a beach song? I got a good one. I got a good one. Hold on.
Okay,
I think
sige.
you'd like this one. I got a good beach song.
Buti na lang kasi yung sasuggest ko parang hindi 90s. Oo.
No, what? What name? Give me the title.
Island in the Sun ng Weezer. Parang hindi siya early 2000s yata siya.
No, I mean, it's not. Does it give you beach vibes?
Sa akin, oo.
Oh, okay. Hi to my idol, Gigo Postolero, an indie actor. Okay, here's a good beach song. Aruba, Jamaica for the movie Cocktail. This is Friday Madness.
Naalala mo naman sa Tom Cruise.
Oh my gosh, yeah. This is Tina Ryan along with Israel Bonabra of the Comedy Crew. And we're playing you the bangers from the 80s. Like pina colada. Sing along, everyone. Getting caught in the rain. I thought this song, by the way, this Friday Madness only on Magic 89.9. Rupert Holmes, I have to say, Israel, one of my faves. I mean, I know the song, it builds up to supposed to be like what? Supposedly like cheating.
Oo.
But it's
simula
just a
siyang ganun.
well-written song.
No, it builds up to nagkabalikan sila.
Wait
parang ganyan.
up. This
Rekindling
is,
their love.
by the way, goes out to Moppet again and Tita Mai. They're enjoying the beach somewhere in Port Barton, Palawan. There you
Port
go.
Barton.
Yeah, Port Barton, yeah.
Walang O.
Okay. So
Okay.
going back to Rupert Holmes' style of writing songs, it's just they just
Story.
don't write
Maging
songs the
story,
way they
oo.
used to. I mean, I hate to say, yun nga.
Wala namang ganyan kanta na may kwento from start to finish.
And ano ba to yung
Now we have letters lang. Apatu. Yun na yung mga kanta ngayon. We just have
2
letters.
minutes na lang, guys.
Oo.
Tag to 2 minutes. No, but the song, if you really analyze it,
Ako yung nag-request ng song, by the way, kasi gusto ko rin yung beat ng kantang yan. Pero if you analyze the lyrics, Diba?
it's romantic in a way, but they almost cheated on each other, diba?
He's getting bored in their relationship.
Which I know happens in a lot of relationships.
He saw an ad. The ad was put out by this lady na describe niya lahat ng
Yeah.
gusto niya at pareho sila and compatible sila. Nag-meet sila, yung babae, yung girlfriend din pala niya, yung asawa niya yun. Ang kung iisipin mo, siya yung unang nag-cheat kasi siya yung naglabas ng ad.
Yeah, but you know what? No, I'm not trying to defend the girl.
Yeah.
But
I'm not defending the guy either, pero
he didn't know that she liked pina coladas.
so, bakit hindi rin nila alam? Ba't di sila nag-uusap, di ba? Parang, ang dali-daling,
It's why most or most relationships fail. It's because of communication
Tama.
issues, di ba?
Gusto mo ba ng pinya colada? Hindi, martini ako eh. Patay! Tapos! Margarita.
Frozen
ganyan.
margarita.
Oo. Ano nangyari? Coke lang. Coke. Wala, tapos na. Tapos na yung relationship niyo. Like walking, ano yung sabi niya?
Walking,
down the,
wait.
long walks ba yun? Ano sabi
Hi,
niya?
Phil. Hold on, let me Google the lyrics real quick. Pina colada. Pina.
Making love at midnight. Hindi man
wala.
lang nila nalaman sa course ng relationship. Malamang magkatalikod silang natutulog. Nakaharap yung isa sa isa, tapos kabila yung isa. Pareho silang gising ng midnight, nagpapakiramdaman sila. Ano kayong gagawin ko? Do I make the first move? So kaya?
So if you like pina coladas, getting caught in the rain.
Oo, tamo. Lagi sila may baong payong kasi kaya hindi nila nalaman.
If you're not into yoga, if you have
tamo.
half a brain.
Tamo. Baka
my
nagbububuhan sila, bububuhan sila, ganyan.
Oh my gosh. But again, it's they ended up together. I mean,
Ang sabi ng babae, sabi niya nung nagkita sila,
it's you.
Oh, it's you. Sabi,
Walang
it's you. Oo. Parang, okay, I'm stuck with this guy. You again. You answered the ad. Ano pa tong sinapit kong kapalaran? Di ba? Ang pinakamalupit
find it
talaga
romantic.
dyan. No, ang
Okay,
pinakamalupit
what?
talaga dyan, hindi nila alam na gusto nilang mag-make love at
ng hating
midnight.
gabi.
At hindi nila nalaman Di ba? Wala. Anong klaseng relasyon yan? Maghiwalay na lang kayo, please. Dapat naghiwalay ang dalawang yan.
Hi to Phil Adamson. He's tuned in. Again, everyone on playback, thank you so much for the love. Keep those requests coming.
Yes.
Israel, anybody you want to say hi to?
Si Charlemagne, nakita namin siya.
Oh, my buddy Charlemagne of
sir,
Bistro
hello, with his
Charlemagne.
family.
Did he invite you guys? Not yet.
Sa restaurant, sabi naman niya, we'll schedule one of these days. Sabi
Okay,
niya
we
ganun.
should.
Tapos binida namin siyempre yung Netflix special ni Alex. Sa pinanood na pala niya. Thank you, Charlemagne. Ano.
So he's got 3 branches. Soledad. What's the Ayala Mall in Marikina?
Feliz?
Yes.
Feliz, no?
And the Bay.
Okay.
Yeah, Ayala Mall.
Sige.
Ayala Mall, by the way. There you go.
Kakatugma-tugma rin yan. Charlemagne, do you like piña colada? Getting caught in the rain.
Speaking of rain, I guess it's pouring
Is it?
outside.
Hindi ko alam eh.
It is. I find it weird that it's raining this hard in October. I mean
October.
October.
I find it hard that it's October.
February. Okay, I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna take a
Hindi kasi may heat, diba? Yung init na yung tubig, diba? Nag-evaporate lang sa init. And mainit today dahil Valentine's ngayon. Yun. Valentine's
Oh
ngayon
my
eh.
gosh, if you guys are
It's
on the
May,
road.
October. Happy October, everyone. Happy
If you're on the
October.
road, I don't know where you guys are, whatever your Valentine plans are, please, if you're going to drive, I know it's traffic already, just keep it locked in here on the Magic. We got more bangers from the past coming your way. I got Roxette coming up.
Patugtog kaya tayo ng Christmas song kasi October na eh.
I hate you right now. Rub it in, brother. Rub it in.
Friday Madness.
Be my twin on Friday Madness. Magic 89.9. It is a song brought to you by the new Hyundai Tucson Hybrid. Make your smart shift today. I want to own a hybrid. Hey, happy Valentine's to a dear friend, David and Michelle. They're in the car. Maybe they're off to somewhere dinner, maybe?
Yeah, maybe dinner. Sure, dinner. Of course, dinner. David and Michelle, happy for you guys. Dinner muna.
Happy Valentine's, Michelle and David. And I haven't met Michelle, actually. David, I met a few times.
I haven't met
already.
them both, pero I'm sure they're going to dinner. It's Valentine's.
Chef Nat says it's super traffic going to Green Hills. Hi, Chef Nats. And of course, everyone at 61 Orange. Hey, you know what? David and Michelle. David, you should take Michelle to 61 Orange. Private dining. Oh my gosh, dude. If you go to 61
Private
Orange,
dining?
it's like a trip back to like the 70s, man. It's
Anong meron dyan?
super retro. I mean, the place is so nice.
Parang gandang maki-social crime dyan.
Yes.
Appear, dito. Yan!
I'm sorry,
Parang
because like
ganda.
off air, I totally don't.
Alam mo, ibang level
totally
yung
asked.
dining niya kasi nakalagay private dining eh. Hindi siya public dining eh.
It's really private dining.
Oo,
Like,
so
you have
ano
to
yun ba,
book it.
invite?
Oh, you have to book
book
it.
talaga. Ano yung, akala ko kasi may mga kurti-kurtina sa kabila, left and right, at sa likod. Private talaga.
I'll take you and Alex to my friend's pool party.
Ayun, yung pool party. Yan, hindi ko rin alam po. Pero ang alam ko, last na attend akong pool party kay Efren Bata Reyes. Ibang pool pala yun. Naka-swimming trunks ako eh. Nagbibilyar sila. Naka-swimming trunks ako.
Okay, wait.
Okay na.
Hi to Mrs. Thorpe, who's in Revram, UK.
Hindi ko alam paano spelling yun.
Right,
Pero,
diba?
mahirap yun, alam ko.
And also to Kuya Ado, thank you so much for taking care of Kobe. Kobe, my other baby, is
Asan na? Ano
on
nangyari?
vacay at his grandpa's house.
Okay. Kala
And
ko anong nangyari.
Ate Angel and Ate Nolly. Hi, you guys. I'll see you tonight. I'm picking up the baby. That's my Valentine's. So,
Ayun na,
what are your
oo.
plans? Oh, yeah. You guys have a show
We have
tonight.
a show,
Sold out.
oo.
And if you're wondering if
And bukas maaga kami kasi alam mo naman yung Singapore.
your flight, right?
Wow,
What time's your
Singapore.
flight?
9 naman, pero we have to meet around 4 a.m. 4 or 5 a.m. yan.
Wow.
Kasi kailangan, may mga dadaling kami mga gamit. eh.
Oh,
So, yeah.
may props in Singapore.
No. Merch, actually. Merch, totoo.
Props.
Props.
Holy God.
Hindi ko alam, Tina. Alam mo, siguro dapat manood ka ng mga shows namin. Iniisip mo, may props kami.
Hi to Big Daddy Jake. Hi, partner. Don't forget to check them out, The Big Breakfast
Para
from
mo,
7 to 10 in the morning with Jada. Traffic is horrible because Friday,
Yes.
payday. Oh, it's really raining.
Oh, yun pa. It's
Bad
raining,
mix daw
payday,
talaga.
Friday and Valentine's.
Oo.
Eto na po lahat yun.
Okay,
Oo.
hold on. Let's see.
Guys, ingat po ha. Baka mabasa kayo. It's Valentine's. Kasi umuulan. Umuulan. So, I mean, yung mabasa tayo sa tamang pagkakataon at panahon.
Sa tamang panahon.
Oo. Yeah, may props kami. May props.
Wait, I'm calling Alex to see where he is, but he's not picking up. Is it even ringing? Oh, I can't tell. Oh, I can't get through. Hold on. Because I'm calling him via WhatsApp. Ano, walang load.
Walang load city na.
Oh, okay, let's try. Let's try this one.
Go.
Thank you again. We're live on playback.tv/magic899. Keep those requests coming. We do appreciate.
80s and 90s, no?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Appreciate hearing from all of you. And we have no signal. Okay, here we go. Let's see if he's even going to pick up. If he doesn't pick up, it means he doesn't love me. Or he's probably on the phone.
Or baka papasok na siya.
Oh, he's... Why are you wearing my shirt?
Saktong-sakto.
I'm calling you.
Ano ba nangyari?
Wait,
ano ba tayo?
Where's my shirt?
Naka-on-air tayo?
Congratulations.
Naka-on-air ba tayo?
The man of the
Yes!
hour.
Hello!
Oh
To all
my
the
God.
Hingiteros and Hingiteros yan.
Wait, kami din. Actually.
Ano naman suot mo?
Alex, everyone on playback.
Kung mag-off shoulder ka, huwag mo suporta ng spaghetti strap. Nalito ka dyan. Alam mo, sa totoo lang, Tina, hindi ko akalain, sabi ko sa sarili ko, number one ako, I have to be nice, pero I have to be also honest.
Wait. Can I put that on? Can I get that on?
Oo naman.
I'm getting an honest fit
Review.
check.
Oo,
Review.
oo, oo.
Wait lang. And I thought,
Oo. Unang-una, Valentine's ngayon, ang hirap mong hubaran.
wait.
Hindi ko. May nakita na bang sexy na ganyan na itsura ng damit? Tino mo kasabi ng director, buwisit na wardrobe yan. Ano ba pinasuot nyo dito? Hubarin mo yung unang sleeve na parang akala mo kung ano man yung nasa... Tapos pagbalong, mayroon pa spaghetti. Wala na.
Mama Dada said it's
Marami
cute.
pa namang mga premature ejaculator ngayon. Come on.
And that's
Let's face
where we take a break.
Let's face it.
Congratulations,
Oo naman, thank you.
Alex.
Ito, galing ako sa Showtime, nag-guest ako, nanalo tayo dyan sa Hide and Sing.
Ooh,
Of course,
how much did you win?
May 10,000 para sa home part, ay para sa partner. Yung maganda. It's nice to be back sa Showtime kasi maraming mga mga milestone sa Showtime.
Yeah, you
I've been
used to
there.
write,
Yeah,
right, for
writer
Showtime.
ako ng 2013 to 2018 kung saan what a coincidence. Yung 2030 pala, doon ko nilabas yung car wash joke ko sa Facebook. Anyway, moving forward. Tapos yun, nagano ako doon, sumali ako doon sa funniest person in the world. Nag-first runner-up ako sa Finland. Finland,
I
yeah.
thought it was-
Laugh Factory yun.
Yeah.
2016
Because
yun.
I was supposed to watch. I was supposed to follow, but he never
Nagkukwento
replied.
nga kami ni Strel, there's always a year na may, parang meron sa isang pasabog. 2016 is yung funniest person in the world. 2017 is Aliw Award.
Oh.
Awards, the best
Okay.
stand-up comedian. 2018, meron akong pelikulang By Bus with Ann Curtis na maganda yung role ko.
Which I haven't seen.
Yun. 2019, nag-viral yung Fort Everest na joke. Na
This is fully paid, right?
hinahanap na Netflix. Yung mga nanood sa Netflix, sa yung Fort Everest. Tapos 2020, nag-pandemic.
By the way,
Siyempre,
nakasakay na ako dun sa Fort Everest.
diba?
He gave me a lift last Friday. Nung isa hindi natuloy na viewing party
So, ito
natin.
naman si Tina.
because-
Hindi kita sasakay, nagpaparamdam ka eh. Siyempre, alas 12 ng uwi na siyempre. Sabi mo, hindi, mag-grab na lang ako. Sabi naman ni Mara, papatid si Mara. Sabi niya, sige, atid mo si Mara. Kikita mo yung tsura ng Tuina. Walang sinasabi yan, pero ang dami
Guys,
sinasabi
don't
niya.
believe every word he's saying. Okay, me and Mara, we're gonna do like a
Tapos
ride
hanggang uli,
share.
ang layo pala ng bahay niyan.
Ito na sa Mandaluyong, di ba?
Oo, dito nga lang. Pero sa
Looban?
umikot. Alam mo naman itong nakaisip itong bandang area ng Pioneer na to na one-way o umikot-ikot ka. Kita mo yung bahay mo, paikot ka dahil one-way. Sus Mario Joseph, ang gulo ng daan dito sa bandang Pioneer kasing gulo ng damit ni Tina na hindi
Pero
ma-decide kung
ginaganyan
spaghetti o calypso, dancer.
Alam mo yung pag natuto yung nanay mo magganchilyo,
Oh.
alam mo yun? Yung
Wow.
cover sa rep, tapos yung dito yung lalagyan ng
I
bill.
see where we're going, Israel. You had an hour and a half.
Wala, sinasabi ko lang na ano.
Ganon,
Uy, maraming salamat. At
Ganyanan
top
tayo,
one pa rin ba?
Tina.
Nasa top 1 pa rin ba?
Yes, still
pa rin
number
tayo.
one.
Salamat talaga. So, yun.
3 months to, 3 months. Na
Hindi naman. Oh, sana maging happy na lang tayo. Siguro success ko to. Pero may mga kanya-kanya tayong maliliit na success sa buhay natin.
Yeah.
We appreciate na lang. We celebrate. Yun lang, para wala kayong masyadong iniisip na paano mo mapapabagsak tong tao na to. Huwag na ganun. Gawa lang tayo ng at the end of the day, stage comedy pa rin talaga nagdidikta. Kasi kung hindi naman namin pinagandaan yan, it will not be, di ba nag-judge na yung tao number one yan. Ibig sabihin, appreciate na lang natin.
Oh my gosh, so our viewers are climbing up. We're now at 150 people on
tamang panahon.
playback.
Hello guys!
Hi, Sir Wayne. Off shoulder.
Off shoulder.
Miss Tina, yari ka na naman kay Al.
Alam mo, ganyan yung, kaya ako, sorry naalala ko tuloy yung kalaro ko niyan, yung batang kalaro ko na si Maricar.
Israel!
Wala akong sinasabi.
Yung bata akong kalaro na si Maricar, ganyan yung damit yan, na bumabag sa spaghetti mo.
Okay.
Scoop, pinababagsak mo na yun, wala nang sumasalog.
Ang spaghetti, si Maricar.
Oo, hindi. Hindi siya spaghetti. Kasi di ba may mga damit na maluluwag na.
Oo, yung
napupunit dun sa, kasi yung, alam mo, hindi naman yan, inisip na parang may nakaisip niya na, uy, gawin natin spaghetti na dinesign. Hindi yan dinesign. Aksidente lahat ang nangyari dyan. May naipag-away ng mga bata. Original yan, magkatikit yan yung, itong pang-calypso. Itaas mo yan. Itaas mo yung dalawa. Hindi, ito. Itaas mo.
itaas mo.
Idikit mo. Yan, isang damit talaga yan. Tapos naipag-away, paghila sa manggas, naiwan yung dalawa. Oh my God, that's a fashion.
Bagong style.
Yan, bagong style yan. So, uy, ano na, February 14.
I
February
know.
14.
February 14 sa lahat ng mga...
What about, what's that? What are
Ano
you
mga marinig
doing?
nyo dyan?
Oh my God. Palakpakan po natin
Dapat
si
may promo. Uy, malapit tayo sa Candy, dyan sa Pasig. Wow. Kasalukuyan po mga kaibigan.
The place to be.
Alam mo, naalala ko dati, nung bago mag-pandemic, uso
Yeah.
talaga ang motel-motel pagka Yung motel-motel talaga, pagka Valentine's, kumakapal lahat ang mukha ng tao. Diyan sa EDSA, wala pa yung Skyway. May Winston Lodge dyan.
Ano ngayon yung sunod?
Nakaharang talaga dyan yung nakapila talaga dyan yung mga taxi. Oo, nakapila dyan yung mga taxi. Biruin mo, walang pakialam mga tao. Biruin mo, di ba kakilala yung taxi driver, pero kasabay nyo siya papasok sa motel. Tapos dalawa kayo, tapos papapayag mo yung babae. Kasi kaya ang problema nun, pag mahaba yung pila ng taxi, wala pa sa music lineup nyo. Late ako, okay? Traffic.
It's hard just to...
Sandali. Sabi, bilang napapayag ko na yung kasama ko, sabi niya, sige, papayag na ako. Di ba ganyan ang uso pag Valentine's ko, kung mahal mo ako, ibigay mo sa akin yung matagal ko nang hinihiling. Tapos pag kumayag ko babae, tapos yung taxi driver, nakikinig sa yung Radio Veritas. Siyempre, di ba? Siyempre magpapatugtog yun ng mga religious song na, di ba? Yung mga lift up your hands to God. Tapos sa harap sa yung babae, siguro hindi pa itong panahon kasi I'm reserving this body when we're married. Di ba? Parang gano'n, di ba? Parang gano'n.
May nangaagaw pa kay Alex Original. Buti lang may resibo si Alex.
Yun yung favorite joke ni Tina pala. Di ba, Tina? Kanina.
Ano
Yun.
Hi, Karen!
Uy,
I watched it already on Netflix. Ang dami ko realizations.
Nakapag ka ba, Tina?
Yes.
Oh my God.
But I have to rewatch it. Like Valerie, she's watching it again second time around.
Ba't ka
Okay. Kasi, oops, Marv. Hindi ko pa napapanood yung kay Alex. Tagal magpaskit sa Friendly Neighborhood Bombay ng pag-subscribe sa Netflix. What the
Hindi ko
heck?
alam kung ano yan.
Ano ba si Direk Alvin? Ano ba si Midnight Lab? Wala. Kailangan saan natin yung iPad hinihiram ko para ma-monitor ko yung mga...
Direct Alvin is, well, he's watching.
Ano gagawin? Papuntahin natin dito?
Hi, Raurachi. Gonna catch you, Valentine, or no sleep till Brooklyn.
Yan.
Lee Gustavo, is he the vocalist of the band I Belong?
Ito na so.
What? I Belong to
Kamukha kasi
You.
ni Israel, si yung...
Si RG.
Yung sa
Guerrero,
I
sorry.
belong to the zoo.
Really?
RG Guerrero.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, wag ka muna mag-request ng Rick Ay, okay Rick Astley Pero pag ako papatugtog kay Rick Astley, iba yung gusto kong tugtog.
Ano.
Yung hold, yung it will take a strong man.
Oh, I like that.
Alam mo na yan eh.
To ever let you go. Uy, mukha ba akong Mentos? Grabe to si Robbie. Kulay Mentos to. Robbie,
Hindi naman.
Pa.
Hindi
Alam mo,
naman.
totoo yan.
Doily,
Yung
doily.
Mentos na sinipsip. Yung ginawa mo, tapos dinura mo sa pader. Yan yung kulay ng Mentos. Tama ka dyan, pare. Kulay Mentos. Yan, totoo yan. Oo, may Mentos kasi na ganyan nga yung Mentos.
Okay, we're up at 163. Guys, keep
Uy,
those
hello,
viewers.
wow.
Yeah. Hi, Brian Patawe. Happy Valentine's Day, Tina. And what's that? Please greet Attorney Sok Padua.
Yeah, friend. Attorney
Okay.
Sok Padua.
Sok Padua. Uy, attorney, pangalan niya pang bayani, no? Parang
Socrates.
Sok Padua.
Socrates Padua. Kaibigan ko yan. Yung si Sok.
Oh.
Kaya ko pa,
Pampanga.
Petunia. Kaya ko pa.
Oh, Sok.
Okay.
Sok.
Ayun lang.
And Rix visited the booth yesterday to claim something. It feels nice to see the Magic logo up close. Thank you.
Oy.
And
Ano?
no, I don't think that's N. How do
Ano
you
yan?
pronounce that? N2CS. I don't know.
NNC, ano?
Yeah, it's hard.
Enthusiast. Enthusiast!
Hindi.
Enthusiast!
May R eh.
Oh, masan?
Ayun o.
ENR?
ENR2CS.
ENR2CS.
How do you say that? How do you pronounce that? Ganef from Cabanatuan City is traffic at the
Enertusis.
moment.
Enertusis yan.
As well with scattered
Di ba, ano yun?
ambon-ambon. Ha? sa weather report. Scattered ambon-ambon. Oh, okay. Alex!
Ayan.
Pasigaw eh. Kasi it has 4 exclamations.
Ay, hello guys. Hello.
Hi, Avaya.
Ayun,
Okay.
masaya kasi overwhelming hanggang ngayon. Overwhelming nang nag-message kaya natatalo yung mga bashers kasi paisa-isa lang sila tapos alam mo pang coming from a very dark place. Alam mo yun? Na hindi na lang maging masaya.
Kalalabas sa
Ano ba
kuweba,
naman?
no?
Huwag yung sabihin ano na naman to. Parang ano na naman to. Fake. Ano na naman yung result. Whatever. Mahirap yung yung talaga.
Congratulations from
Yun,
Island.
parang
and everyone.
chess ano lang yan.
EJ.
Parang, okay, huwag ka palakpakan natin dahil may kanya-kanya tayong moment, di ba?
Yung mga reels ni Alex sa Netflix, yung promo reels, abot na ng mga 6 million ba ngayon? Yung total views.
Mga
Guys, I just want to say hi to Joshua Carl Almeida.
Oy.
And David, thank you because next week he was able to help me guest Colonel Nebriha for Pit Stop.
talaga? Naku, kilala. So,
Kilala
nandito
yan.
sa Colonel.
I'm sorry?
Nandito siya.
Yeah,
O,
next
so pwede tayo
Wednesday.
mag-violet kasi dito siya. Pwede tayo, okay sa mga lahat ng mga mag-violet. Huwag kayong mag-alala.
Dito
Wala
si Colonel.
Dito si Colonel. Wala siya sa daan.
Free for all.
Free for
Ang
all
EDSA.
tayo. Di ba? Okay, ano ko nanonood ako talaga naman.
When
nakikinig
the
ako ng
cat
mga
is
radyo.
away, when the
Pag
cat is
halimbawa,
away.
may nakita ko may official, halimbawa, dapat yan ang mga inaobserbahan nyo. Andiyan yung, yung MMDH head. Ibig sabihin, wala nagbabantay sa tindahan.
Fab J, what's Sabrina Cut?
Ano?
Sabrina Cut daw from Fab J. Wanky ba to? Wanky? I feel you pag pupunta ng BGC, need mo pang umikot ng Sheridan. Imbis na didiretso na lang papuntang Kalayaan.
Grabe yung traffic niya, no?
Grabe ang traffic ngayon.
Wow. Okay. Well, it's payday.
Oo, tapos Valentine's pa.
Yeah.
Tapos umulan.
Torja ka na mamaya. Maraming iika-ika bukas. Magano kayo, mag-stretching kayo bago magsimula mag-torja ka na.
I'm gonna play your song now. This one's from
stretching,
Rick
stretching.
Astley on Friday Madness.
Starts breaking.
Back-to-back 90s bangers. One from Hole. And this one's from Dion Ferris. I say it's a one-hit wonder, but
Sino yung isa? Hole?
Courtney Love.
Nako.
Yeah, and you have the same sentiment as
Pag mga 90s kids
Israel.
na yan,
Ang pangalan niya Hole?
Hindi,
Yung band.
Band nga Hole, as in H-O-L-E?
Yeah.
Tapos love siya? Hindi lang.
this is
Kasi ba yung
the
sabi,
perfect
Courtney
song
loves
because we're
Hole.
celebrating.
Di ba? Courtney loves Hole.
Hole. Oh, tama.
Hindi ko na sinasabi.
Hole is
Pinapakilala.
Courtney Love.
Pero patugtog kasi kagad eh.
Right?
Courtney
both-
loves Hole. Oh, paano yun?
But
Ano
you
natin
both
lulusutan
feel
yun?
the same way about-
Host tayo. Host tayo. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. And now, let's welcome Courtney loves
Hole.
Oh. Kasi siya sikat dun eh. Parang Elvin Diaz, ano, di ba? Pupil. Di ba? Parang gano'n, no? Yun, no? Di ba?
no,
Kasama-
Pupil is
Oo.
spice.
Kasama siya doon.
Pupil is ano.
Lumipat siya doon. Oh,
Elvin Diaz.
wait.
oh. Nasisip mo, Mongol?
Meron yung Mongol kasi, pero pinagbawal kasi yung
Oh,
pangalan ng
oh,
bandang yun. Kaya
Pupil.
nilipat nilang, ginawa nilang Pupil.
Okay. No, I was thinking of another band. Never mind.
Oo.
Ano, Yano.
Ibayin natin mo, parang ano,
May lalabas doon.
Jet Pangans The Dawn.
Oh, yeah.
I wanna wait.
Bined mo yung tugtog na yan, celebration.
For you.
Bined.
What?
Ay, bed yan, bed.
But I made it a bed because we're celebrating you
Ah,
being number
nice.
1 on
Nice.
Netflix. Hashtag tamang panahon.
Oo
I want to
nga,
make
hindi
a
ko inasahan
correction.
talaga. Ano,
Wait
sige,
lang.
correction mo
Sorry. I'm truly sorry. David, it was, yeah. He helped me get in touch with Sir Gabriel Go, the current MMDA. Yeah.
So ngayon,
no, because I said Colonel Nebriha. Yeah. Somebody else helped me.
hindi si Colonel pupunta dito?
Hindi, pupunta si Colonel Nebriha next Wednesday.
tapos?
And then, following Wednesday, it's Sir Gabriel Go.
Sino naman si Sir Gabriel?
Oh my God.
Siya yung head?
Yeah, hello.
Ng MMDA? O, 2 araw tayong pwede manggulo.
Walang huli.
Parang ano yan, parang walang coding yan. Diba?
Hi to, that is hard. Is that RJ?
RJ.
Okay.
From Cebu.
Watching from Cebu.
Yeah.
Chatty, mas mahirap kong namali instead of Courtney Loves Hole. Kasi Courtney is...
Hole.
Okay. Hole. Okay.
Loves hole.
He loves. Apostrophe S yun eh.
Oo. Hindi. Tama.
Apostrophe S.
Kasi banda niya yung hole eh.
Oh.
We're still there.
Pero na-disband ba sila?
Oh, wala na.
So hindi na sila whole.
Hindi na. Broken. Pieces.
Usapang sabaw. Ang ganda lang kasi pakinggan whole eh. Pero pag ginawa mo Tagalog, yung banda mo butas.
Oh, butas.
Hindi na siya buo.
Hindi nga. Pero yung whole, di ba?
Whole Foods.
Diba whole?
Whole Foods yan.
Okay. Kuya Alex, yung pinsan
Paano pag
ko...
halimbawa?
Wait, I have a
Di ba
question.
halimbawa merong press con sila? Di ba you can asshole? Di ba? Di ba?
Asshole a question.
Oh, di ba? Di ba? Collective sila. Di whole. Tatawag mo.
Hey, can I ask
any
all?
question you can ask all. Parang ganun. Di ba? Parang
First question.
as Eraserhead. So, di ba? As
Beatles, yan.
yeah, di ba? As Parokya ni Edgar. Di sa kanila, asshole.
Actually, I wanted to put a cafe na pet friendly, like puro dogs. I wanted to call it As a Whole. But
talaga?
As a Whole, but I don't think
Alam mo,
they'll give me a
napaka-foul
permit.
Si animal na yun eh. Na-offend ako doon. May limit ako ha. May limit ako sa ganyan. Offensive sa akin. Asshole?
Asshole? What? Why?
Asshole, Tina? Anong klaseng sense of humor mo?
Napaka-harsh naman yung word.
Oo, sa mga asshole. Kasi yung as, yung as ako, ASK.
Somebody is asking you something.
Ano
Hold
yan?
on.
Kuya, may tanong siya doon.
Yeah, nagkwento nga eh. Wait, where is
nakakatawa
that?
yan
Yeah, nawala tuloy.
Ano ba?
Shadig. Hold on. Mongols, di ba brand ng lapis yun?
Tama.
Yes.
Oo.
Why, is it gone? There's still Mongol, di ba?
Meron.
But the band is gone. Yung kay Eddie.
Yung band.
Oo.
Okay.
Pinalitan ng pangalan na ginawa
Hindi na alam mo, kung politically correct, hindi naman na-encourage yung Mongol kasi malapit doon sa, di ba, yung mga ano ngayon, yung mga nakaka-offend na word. Oo.
Okay. Kuya Alex, yung pinsan ko sa Australia, nanood ng show mo. Tinanong ako kung kamag-anak ka namin. Sabi ko, tanungin ka.
Oo.
Hindi ko lang alam kung tinanong yan.
Depende. kung maayos yung pamilya nila, di magkakaroon tayo.
Pagkakakitaan ba yan?
Pero kung halimbawa, ang kasunod niyan sana ipiyansaan niyo po siya sa kulungan.
Hindi tayo magkakaroon.
Bicolano, pag Bicolano ka, malamang yan. Pagka medyo lumayo-layo ka na, malamang natira ng tatay ko tapos nakalayo sa ibang pamilya. Pero kasi tatay ko, di ko alam, medyo may siyempre lalayo-layo ka pagka hindi ka dun sa paligid lang ng Bicol. Kaya pag may kalye sa Bulacan, yan malamang nadali rin
May
ng
nangyari.
tatay ko yan. Tapos dinala sa Bulacan para magpakalayo-layo.
Hi to Shasha. Oh, it's really Shasha. Hi, Shasha.
Sasha, ano?
Shasha, my love from Mike. Hi, Shasha. Nice to meet you, by the way. I went social
Shasha.
climbing last Sunday.
Social climbing daw to.
Talaga?
Social climbing.
Ano?
Kaya siya.
I went to the polo club. No.
Ay, Manila Polo? Oo. Naku, sabi ko sa'yo, Tina, kakayuko mo dyan. Nakita ko yung paanong kabayo.
Paano kabayo?
Pailalim eh.
So mean. You
Pailalim
are
yun,
so mean.
Kasi di ba horse yung, ang itsura ng boobs pag, parang horse yung dalawa
Oh
yun.
my gosh. Okay. Well,
Yung ko si Tina, na bumagsak yung spaghetti, bumagsak yung Sabrina cut, kung ano man yan.
it isn't.
Naniniwala ako na
Mentos.
lahat ng mga damit aksidente talaga yan. Promise. Aksidenteng na invento yan. Totoo yan. Tama yung
Okay.
suot ni Sam O.
What was she
Ang
wearing?
original form card, jacket. Yung jacket, di ba iba-ibang form yan? Minsan nagkakamali sa tahi, hindi na mabalik sa tahian. Sasabihin na lang, nagkamali kayo ng tahi. No, that's the new style. Jacket yun. Pag nakalimutan lagyan ng mga botones, cardigans na.
Cardigan.
Yung di ba,
Blazer.
poncho.
Oo.
Ano?
I will let you read it. Please read it out loud. Hi, Melissa.
Ano sabi?
Oh, it's si Melissa Gibbs.
Yeah.
Can you tell Alex what?
I love him.
Naku, kung di lang kayo magkakilala ng asawa ko, Melissa. Kaibigan ng asawa ko yan, si Dana. Kung halimbawa, di pwede. Hindi ko pati si Chano.
Melissa, which Madonna
Crush na
song?
crush ko yan si Melissa. Huwag mo muna intindihin. Crush na crush ko yan si Melissa Gibbs.
Yeah, you, me.
Because Melissa Gibbs.
Yeah.
Madano collects.
Hi to Mommy Dolly. She's tuned in.
Seryoso.
Napanood na ba ni
Tapos
Mommy
nasa
Dolly ang
showbiz?
tamang
Sila
panahon?
magkakapatid?
Yvette?
Wala.
Si Melissa sa si Jano Gibbs.
Kailan ba sila magkakapatid?
Dalawa
Tatay
lang.
nila si Ronaldo.
So yun. 2 gives lang. 2 gives.
2 gigs
gigs
lang.
lang.
Ang galing na Israel.
Hi, Sherwin.
birthday.
Happy birthday. Guys, birthday ni Sherwin.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday,
Sherwin.
Sherwin.
Yan,
Okay. I'm sorry. To Verhel and Angelica, happy Valentine's to you. Uy.
Alam na natin kung saan pupunta yan.
Hindi.
Dinner.
Nasa
Dinner.
bahay si Angel.
Basta na ginawa mo sa Manila Polo Club?
Umattend ng birthday. Parang galit ka. Belated happy birthday, Malu. I wish I could work the phone lines. Let's try this. Wait lang.
Oo.
Ang dami
Wait,
kanina
wait.
pa yan.
Pindutin mo yan.
Okay, let's try this.
Babaan mo.
Hi.
Hello?
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 Crap.
Hello?
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 Why doesn't it work?
Sayang,
Pindutin mo
tumatawa.
lahat.
I know. Wait.
Hello.
Hi?
Hello? Hello?
Oh, see? It doesn't. Hello?
Hello? Ayun,
okay,
dapat
let's try
pala
this.
ganun.
Yun.
Yan,
Tawag
ngayon
let's try
na.
this
Tawag ka
one.
ulit.
Tawag
Ano
kayo.
na?
Hello?
Ayan. Ito.
I know.
Ito.
I'm trying to. Okay, press it.
Oh.
Go. Hello.
Oh.
Oh, it's still that.
Oh,
Okay,
sayang.
one more time.
Oh, ito?
That one. Okay,
Ito.
press that one. Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
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 Hello? Hello? Ito. Hello?
Taas mo.
Yung matanda sumasagot.
Wait.
Hello?
Hello.
Press it. Let's try it again.
Ah.
Hello? Oh, crap.
Ito.
Okay, wait. Hi. Let's try it.
Hello? Sa kabila ata.
Hindi nga eh.
Okay,
Parang
hello?
nanonood mo nag-OOG.
Ito. Hello? Naglilipatan siya eh. Pag pinunod ko, lumilipat siya sa kabila.
Ayan.
Hello?
Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
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 Parang naman nag-OOG dito.
Ito talagang nag-ano siya oh.
I know people are calling, but I can't make it work. Maybe I will ask Sam to teach me how to work
Ito,
this.
try natin ulit.
Okay, one more time. Hi.
Oh, yun na.
Wait,
Sayang.
one more. Hi. Hello? Oh, man.
Alam nila,
Hello?
Tony.
Crap. Okay.
Sayang, oh.
So, yun
Sayang.
I know.
Dami
I'm
tumatawag.
Dami
I know. I'm
tumatawag,
sorry.
Tawag na lang kayo sa 0917-855.
Sabi ko sa'yo, gaganon lang to.
Ayun, papaturuan
Ayun
ka.
na, meron na raw.
Paano
Okay.
ka sumagot ng
Ayun, dami
tawag?
tumatawag, yun.
Ang dami, oh.
I know. God.
Baka mga...
Sisiyan ba ako?
Hindi.
Okay.
Siyempre.
Hi, Earl.
Tulungan tayo dito, tulungan.
Para maging bombo radyo tayo. May caller po tayo sa line number 2, mga kaibigan. Para magsabi sa atin kung ano po nangyayari sa lugar nila ngayon. Hello? Hello?
Gosh.
Yan po. Yung tutulong po sa amin na mukhang sinarili na lang niya yun.
It's my first time hearing Alex on a different magic show. Akala ko GTWM lang. Oy, Friday, he loves me too, no? Pero,
Yan.
Huwag kayong makulit
ay,
dyan.
pag dito daw, parang,
Ano?
Tamedish? What's Tamedish? What is
Tamad?
that?
Ano yun?
I don't know.
Tamedish? Ano yun?
Tamedish, is that a new... Calm one. What is Tamedish? Somebody
Oo.
explain. What is
Ayun.
Tamedish? Chatty, hi. Okay.
Hello. Ayan. Saka ano pala,
Hindi ka daw
sa
kumakain ng saging.
Tame-ish daw. Ano ba? Tame. Medyo
tame daw ako syempre. Marami ng gising.
Tamedish.
Tamedish.
Sa ano ka? Minsan si Tina, i-deliver ko na lang.
Para sa joke yun ah.
Minsan si Tina, ang tagal na sa radyo.
Tame-ish.
Ang tagal sa radyo. Ewan ko ba? Si
Tame-ish.
Tina.
No, kasi nandun sa last line eh.
Parang yung ano yan, rim shot sa joke yan. Tamesh-ish. Ganun yun. Tamedish.
Oy, Singapore kami sa
Parang
Sunday.
ano yan, last 50 tickets ba? Parang
Oo,
ganun.
parang ganun
Oh,
eh.
what happened to the phone line? Oh. See?
Give
siya.
up na.
Di ba lang
Give
nagpaalam?
up na.
See?
Oo, yun na yun.
Sabi niya,
Napaka-tamedish ko ngayon. Sabi niya.
Oo. Tangadish ko nga.
Tamedish. I'm so
Wait.
tamedish.
Sold out na daw from Chatty.
Saan? Ang Singapore?
Thank you, Junski. I know I look like
Not
a
yet.
freaking Mentos now, but who cares?
Hindi Mentos yan, Tins.
Mm.
Promise. Mas, alam mo yung mga Colgate na flavor na hindi nabibenta?
No, wait.
Ay,
What's the other toothpaste?
Ano yung Pepsodent? Ano yan?
No.
Close up?
The
Ano
other
yan?
one. Wait,
Maxam? Ano? Maxam? Ano?
Guys, give us a brand of toothpastes out there. The brands.
Anong toothpaste yan? Close up.
You know what? Let's just Google it. Okay, you know what? While we're...
Lifebuoy. Lifebuoy.
No, hindi Sensodyne.
Sensodyne?
No. Oh, now.
Pepsodent?
No,
Ano?
it starts with a... May F ba?
F? Wala.
saan ba? Ano yan?
No,
Ano,
not
parang-
happy.
Ano yan?
Toothpaste
no,
daw.
the color of my blouse.
Fluoride.
Hindi.
Covered lahat ng brand nun.
Meron sa lahat eh.
Ano yan? Ito? Yung ano? Yung
kulay na yan.
ano mo?
Toothpaste brands.
Crest.
Yeah,
Yun,
there
Chris.
you go.
Pinahirapan
And
ko lang.
Aquafresh. Yeah, you got it.
Aquafresh.
Oh.
Thank you, Midnight Love. Hindi naman Beam. Beam is red, no?
Judge, di ba ganyan na yung kulay ng judge? Yung ano, yung...
Ay, oo, yung dumidikit sa ngalangala.
Oh,
Pag pustiso
judge.
ka, tanggal yung pustiso mo dun eh. Sa judge.
Grabe.
Ano?
Nick says,
Ah.
mukha daw ako naka-floaties. Grabe. You guys,
Hindi, sobra
Di
naman.
naman.
Mukha
Di
kang Slurpee.
Di naman. May ganyang kulay yung Fisherman's Friend.
Grabe.
Promise. Fisherman's Friend din yan.
Meron din.
Oo.
Crest toothpaste
Alam
apps.
ko na kung ano yan. Yung bond paper na nabasa.
Bubblegum flavor.
Yan, bubble gum.
Okay. Oh, is it finally working?
Pag may tumawag.
No, it's ringing.
Okay, tawag kayo.
Yan, tawag na.
Kung may reklamo kayo kay Colonel,
Next week pa.
hindi ngayon pa lang, sabihin nyo na para
Para nanonote na
naka-ready
natin.
na kami.
I want to play a Madonna song, but
Bakit po pagka may mga gumagamit po ng mga bus lane?
Yun.
Opo.
can you save the question for next week, please?
Lagi silang parang hindi nila alam na, ay, bus lane pala to. It was an accident.
Oh my gosh, the one that's from like some yung
So tinanggal ni Manny Pacquiao, ni Senator Manny.
Yung ano.
no, not that one. Di ba may nahula lately? Ayan.
Oh.
Okay, wait. We have a caller on line.
Line.
Line 1 ba to? I guess. Because we have... Okay, which one?
Line.
Hello? Oh, see, it doesn't
Wait
seem
lang,
to
wait
work when I'm...
Wait
Yeah.
lang.
Okay, yeah.
Oh.
Can we press it? No, I can't hear him.
Oh.
Hello? Yeah, see?
Hello?
It's
Wala
not
eh.
really
Wala
not
eh.
working.
Sayang.
I'm sorry, guys. We can't... Yeah.
Sayang, gusto talagang tumawag.
Oo, but
Gusto
yeah.
nila tumawag talaga.
Eh, here, what about this one? Hi? Hello? Okay, so let's just play a
Huwag
Madonna
ka
song.
mag-hello dahil wala man tumatawag. Paano naman tayo?
Melissa, this one's for you.
Melissa!
Oh.
Ay, nako, borderline.
I totally
Yun yung ano,
butchered the song last week when I sang with Martin Porta sa Silo. Sold out, man. We had such a great time.
Congrats.
Afternoon disco is back. Melissa, this one's for you. I know, like Sabbath, we're gonna call Mara, okay? Para maayos daw yung phone. Friendly Pulipi on Friday Madness with Angel, a song requested by
Gusto ko yan.
the man of the hour.
Angel.
Nice.
Gusto ko yan.
Angel.
Gusto ko simulan yan eh.
Wait. Don't move your microphone
Hindi,
because you're cutting off.
gusto kong simulan yan eh. Kaya, yung maganda yung intro niyan. Angel.
Angel.
Alala ko pa ng... Tanong mo kung saan ako tambay niyan.
Saan?
Angel, ano yan eh? Ano bang ano yan?
Wait, 80... Is this 88, you guys?
Tambay ako ng Bobby Magis. Alam ko, dyan sa Pasay Road. Dyan dati
Is
ang
that the
cable
pizza
car.
place?
Yeah, tapos may bilyaran.
Oo nga eh.
Bobby
Mga
Magis.
social, Bobby Magis. Dyan sa Pasay Road.
Okay.
Tapos mga cable car. Yan pa yung mga
cable car,
magkakasabay noon. Mga Aunt Mary's aunt.
Nabutan ko cable car.
Aunt
Di ba
Mary's
masarap
aunt.
yung sisig doon?
Hindi ko na alam. Pero tambay kami sa Bobby. Kasi ano yun, 24 hours yung Bobby Magis eh.
So it was cable car, di ba?
Hindi ko na matandaan. Pero social yun eh. Yun. Pero pag gusto mo na katumbas ng Paddy's Point panahon yun, Aunt Mary's aunt, order mo
Paddy's
zombie.
Point yan dati.
Oo, zombie tapos
Pero wala pang tower-tower na, no? Picture yun.
picture lang.
oo.
Pero pag tinamaan ka ng zombie, sinasabi ko sa'yo.
Wait, where is that
Yari
restaurant
ka.
na popular yung
Ano,
zombie?
Margarita? Zombie? Ano nga? Tia Maria yun.
Tia Maria's?
Sister nga yun, Aunt Mary's aunt eh. Napansin niyo ba, Tia Maria, Aunt Mary's aunt? Oh my God, di ba nakita yung clue?
Everybody, sit down
Tia
and
Maria,
listen.
Aunt Mary's aunt, pare, Aunt Mary's aunt.
Tia Maria. Oh.
Diyan yan, sa may dati, alam mo ba yung yung landmark, yung katapat niyan, ngayon, Hermes na. Yung bandang may sa taas, yung...
Greenbelt 4. Ay,
No, because I used to go to the one in Green Hills.
Meron
it was-
dyan. Aunt Mary's aunt sa tabi, Another World. Nakadali ka ng Another World. Nadali mo itong...
Another World.
Ang pangalan, Another World. Los Horizon. Altitude 49. Yan ang mga diskoan dati.
Euphoria.
Euphoria. Dati naging Metro. Where else? Yan
Yeah.
yun eh. Euphoria, where else? Isa yan. Nagano lang. Nagpangapangalan lang.
Somebody from Rome's tuned in.
Ay.
Can I just... Well, you already said that you will be having a European tour this
Yes,
year,
baka
yeah?
hindi na ako. Nag-show ako dyan dati 2012 pa sa Rome. 2 beses. Same year, March and June, yung Barrio Fiesta nila. So ayan, hello sa mga maganda dyan sa Rome, pare.
Yeah, oh my
Parang
gosh, I love
Oo,
Rome.
kasi katabi mo yung Vatican, sabi ko sa'yo.
Love Rome.
Diyan ako takot na hotel eh. Kasi kulay puti yung hotel ko dyan eh.
yung walls na.
Tapos,
Oh?
di ba ito yung Vatican? Siyempre, yung mga masasamang spirito, hindi makakapasok sa Vatican, pero tambay sila sa paligid.
paligid. Andun yung hotel niya.
Oo, doon yung hotel ko sa paligid.
Oo.
Hindi, yun talaga naisip ko.
Alan of Random Minds tuned in. And another Alan Morasigan. Happy birthday,
Uy,
Alan
sa
of
US.
Sun Life.
Taga saan ba yan?
He says
Random Minds.
congratulations. What?
Sa-
Random here.
Taga dito.
Yeah.
Sino ba sa Sun Life? Kinongratulate akong taga Sun Life?
Yeah.
Hindi kayo magpadala ng insurance.
Ako nga behind sa payment.
Si Tina, pag sabi ng behind, umahawak talaga sa behind niya eh. Ako nga behind sa'yo, oh my God. Paano pag behind ka sa payment? Paano pag may nangyari sa'yo, hindi ka dali nun, bago sa payment?
Oh, because I think they
Wala kang pera ba,
they
Tina?
subtract it from the, what do you call this?
Pero di pa naman nag-default yung ano?
Hindi pa.
Ano bang gusto mo para, ano bang kailangan mo? Magkano ba kailangan mo?
No, somebody's asking if you're wearing a Rolex today. Just show it
Oo
off.
naman.
Show it off, yeah.
Ito, wala to.
The celebratory,
Wala to.
celebratory Rolex.
Wala to. Dalawa nga to eh. Yabang. Ang yabang. Ito.
Yun na ba yung ultimate status? Pag ano?
Ito? Di.
Anong purchase mo, Alex, ang parang you have arrived, ganyan,
Oo.
tingin mo? Kung hindi pa yung Rolex.
Rolex,
ano pa?
kasi katangahan to eh. Oo, katangahan tong relotong mo. Ang presyo nito
Maliban
gano'n.
kasi may Rolex na ngayon. Ano, maliban doon, ano pa?
Yeah, but
Kotse o ano?
But
Kotse.
the value never goes down, di ba?
Oo nga,
I mean,
pero
it's-
kung kailan ka mag-Rolex, saka mo mauuntog-untog sa mga... Saka tok, hindi.
Ano
May
tingin
mga
mo?
relo, ano?
Ano bilhin
Sa
mo?
tingin ko so far Rolex. Kasi nga in
Rolex.
terms of, Rolex, relo
Is
na
it-
naman. Ang dami kong relo eh. Na hindi ko pinapansin. Tapos napunta lang ako sa yung health watch, yung
Fitbit, parang
Fitbit.
ganun.
okay Samsung na
Oo.
Ang dami kong relo ng mga middle, lang, mga 67,000 to 15,000. Meron akong Tecno Marine. Hindi ko sinusuot. Tapos, pero ito kasi, kailangan mo suotin dahil automatic.
Kailangan
Thank you,
nyo ako.
Michael. Michael
Oo.
says my outfit's pretty.
Oo naman.
Siyempre, nasa playback ka.
Alam mo, tawag sa ganyan.
Tingnan mo pumunta dito para makita mo yung...
Di ba parang sa pola yan?
Una-una, di ko alam
bibero.
paano lapit na mahubaran to si Tina.
Parang bibero eh. Ng bata eh.
Ano yun?
Kumakain ng
Parang-
Cerelac.
Kaya kasi sabi ko sa'yo nung bata, may ganyan yung mga bata nang tumutulo na yung uhog.
Oo, yan. No.
Yung marunges na pinupunas yung uhog doon sa may parang umabot sa pisngi tapos nalilibagan
Bibero
na.
yun eh.
May kalaro ang gano'n, yung parang pag kumakain ng ice cream, hindi naglilinis ng bibig. Tapos,
Oo, dito na.
tapos may paglaro sa'yo, tapos may libag-libag na yung napagtuyuan ng
Ice cream.
ng ice cream. Tapos,
Oo.
pag pinunas yung sipon, ipupunas dun sa,
I was
ipupunas sa,
that kid. I'm kidding.
ipupunas dun sa, yung braso. Yung sipon ipupunas sa braso. Yung sipon ngayon, guguhit dun sa may, hanggang dun sa malapit na sa tenga. Oo, alam ko yun. Tapos, sinasabi ko sa inyo. Tapos,
Happy birthday again to Alex.
yung kaibigan mong hindi nagugas ng kumain ng kamay tapos hindi nagugas ng kamay tapos
Oo.
hahawak sa ang lansa nun tapos ngayon subukan mo pumunta sa piyesta, madaanan ka ng mga lasing, nakadaan ka ng mga lasing tapos umiinom tapos nagpupulutan ng isda tapos pag nakita ka, Alex! O lipat sa lahat ng mga
Lansa.
hype na sausawan, lansa. Tapos pag may pag-usap sa'yo ang lasing, wala na silang paggalang sa personal space.
Oo.
Nakasapat sa mukha mo yung, alam mo pare, congratulations, talsik talaga. Sagap mo lahat ng sait niya for the last 20 years. Walang yan. Pag lasing, amoy mo lahat ng pinulutan niya mula nung kahapon. Baho ng bibig nyo. Alam mo mabaho yung bibig. Alam mo may bad breath ka kasi pag uminom ka tapos naamoy ko sa'yo, amoy ala ka pa, ibig sabihin hindi ka bad breath. Pero uminom ka na,
Tapos bad.
lasing ka na, tapos nangibabaw pa rin yung bad breath.
Oo.
Mag-evaluate ka ng buhay.
It means you have
May sakit na
parasites.
yun.
Hindi mo nalabanan ni alcohol. 13% na yung alcohol.
You have parasites in your body.
Alam mo, hindi ka pa
80 proof na yun,
mapapagkaya.
80 proof.
Alam mo, di ba, alam mo, hindi ka pa bad breath pag ano, kumain ka, tapos kumain ka lang ng di ba,
Milk,
chewing gum, bubble gum, tapos ano pa, tapos nag-candy ka lang.
Na-overpower
Pero pag halimbawa, yung pag-candy mo, yung bad breath mo, nabalutan yung candy, naku, yung pag ano, ako sinasabi ko sa'yo.
Halitosis na yun.
But seriously though, that's a sign of something is
Oo, meron
really
nga.
wrong.
Sa
And like,
digestive system.
no,
ng
tsaka
tayo.
minsan it's like a sign of you being like parang pre-diabetic or something.
Ah, talaga?
Yata.
Oo, parang
Pwede
ganun.
rin yata. oo.
Diyos Mario-Joseph, para pala hindi ma-offend yung mga may bad breath, no? Huwag mo tawagin may bad breath. Para yung pre-diabetic ka na.
Men, parang pre-diabetic.
Okay, just to
Amoy
make sure.
Paano
pre-diabetic
mo
ka.
nalaman?
Pare amoy underlying cause ka. Para pala maging masasal yung bad breath, no? Para wag sana ma-open, no? Pero may amoy na underlying cause ka. Tapos nakalayo ka na sa kanya na marirealize.
Guys, if you have relatives in Singapore, I think there are 50 tickets left.
Yes!
Parang ganun. Sabi ko na yan.
Something like that.
Ticketmaster.com.
Ito na yung panahon na tatawag kayo. Sir, meron mo ba? Wala na kasi paubos na. Sayang naman, nag-perform pala kayo. O kaya,
Sigurado
wala na ba
bukas.
magkakatabi? Wala na ba magkakatabi? Wala na kasi bakit? Mga ulul kayo.
Ang tagal namin pinost yan eh.
Tatlong ban namin. Pati nga ako
Tatlong ban
nainita
yan.
na ako sa sarili kong commercial na yan eh. Magaling mabalik ka. Gabo kami
Kami
crew
crew.
sa Singapore. Naiinis na ako.
3 months yata yan.
Kung di nyo pa napakinggan yun.
What's his name again?
Si Dave?
Dave.
May nagpabalik sa Stephen Riyadi Auditorium. Napakagandang auditorium. Ay, excited na akong makagawa ulit ng bagong Netflix.
Wala pa. Oo, ganda yan. Tingin ko talaga.
Wait. Somebody's gonna send us food next week.
Ay,
Puro
Micah,
forma.
Micah, you better.
Oo.
We want to try. I want Alex
Ako,
and
anak.
Israel to try the sandwiches at 717 Deli.
Uy, mga delikado yung mga pangalan yung Micah.
Roast
Sarap
beef
kapitan ng mga kung ano-ano, di ba yung Micah?
Di mo alam kung babae o
Mike
lalaki?
Landian. Mike ano ba? Mike ba?
Mike Tanto.
Mike.
Lalaki.
Lalaki.
Ba't may ha?
Sabi ko, Mike ha.
Mike.
Mike.
Mike ha. Like,
Ah.
parang, like,
Kailangan na yung tan. Mike Tan.
Mike.
I feel like I'm gonna get suspended or something.
Ano bang business na ni Mike Tan? Ba't magpapadala ng...
Deli. Resto Del.
He sells car parts in Banawe.
Pata-pata ng pagkain. Ano pa ba kayo sa ating tordilyo?
Hubcab.
Mike Dan, thank you for your food and for your car parts need. Ang sarap ng tornilyo nila.
Brake pad.
Coated.
Mga brake pad.
Ang sarap na. Lalo na, I recommend sweet and sour. Sweet and sour. Di Uno. Yung Di Uno, ang sarap.
Inside the uno.
I like the yung bolt omelette nila, pare.
Bolt omelette?
Oo, malambot, tapos durog yung ngipin mo.
Watch Tamang Panahon second day of showing sa Netflix last week.
Dapat di ba pag-business
Thank you,
mo?
Valerie.
Thank you, Valerie. Valerie, ano yan? Concepcion?
Cruz.
Dahil kaibigan ito ni Tina na pwede. Pero kaya ko, di ba halimbawa, car parts yung negosyo ni Mike, dapat magpadala mo lang siya ng kahit di natin gamitin.
Brake pad nga.
Lagyan tayo ng hubcap ng BMW. At least ka, gagawa ka ng
pwede
paraan
ganun.
para magka-BMW ka.
Kahit
Kung ano
insignia
negosyo
lang.
nyo, ay hindi padala nyo sa akin.
Sticker.
Diba, pare?
Oo,
Kung ano negosyo nyo, ay nga pala pag may B-Rose kayo. Sir, may pinadala po si Sheila sa si Lilibet po. Saan galing yan? Sa Pegasus po. Nag-shoutout na po kayo.
Pa-shoutout.
Ano? Shoutout lang kapalit? Shoutout lang.
Oh my gosh.
May nangyayari.
I'm so sorry, everyone on
Bakit?
on playback because there's so many messages came in. I forgot to refresh it.
Tapos
Ano yan?
pinangyayari sa inyo. Anong gagawin namin sa pinadala ng babae? Bigyan nyo lang po ng itag nyo lang po ako pag may nangyayari sa inyo. Okay siya. Okay.
Pa-post na lang po ng stories, sir.
Hindi pala pwede pag negosyo mo, yun ang pala.
Oo, mahirap.
pala.
Pero the best pa rin yung mga
Lalo na
hubcap
pag
sa
St.
brake
Peter.
pad. Pero pwede yun, ha?
Sir, saan po dideliver itong kabaong, sir?
Corona, yung corona.
Mga side mirror daw.
Dadagdag ko sa,
ganun.
oy, akin yan ha.
mirror,
Oy,
Nila-
akin yan ha. Akin yung joke na yan ha.
Nilagang tambucho.
Mamaya may umangkin na naman ng joke na yan.
Yeah, because it's no joke.
Oh,
We
diba?
got attorney Howie Calleja on our side.
Oo. Mamaya sabihin nyo, naisip ko lang ngayon yan dahil sa pagkukwentuhan. Akin yan ha.
Dahil kay Mike yun. Dahil kay Mike. Yan.
Shoutout
Mike,
po
ha.
sa St. Peter, sabi niya sa amin kabaong. Hayaan nyo po, gagawa namin ng paraan para magamit agad.
Parkadillo. Oh my God. Guys, thank you. Thank you so much. Again, Alex.
Tapos na ba tayo?
Hindi pa. We have 10
Nakatatlong
minutes.
ka na.
No, I'm thanking everyone online.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for yung Facebook Live.
They're asking me why I'm not sitting down. Oh, it's because I have my spondy doesn't like me sitting down.
Okay, sa
Kala
ating
si Pepper.
spondy pa. May almoranas
Spondy.
ka.
Puranas.
Ano? Totoo tayo din sa radio.
I'm spondylolisthesis.
Ano? Ano yun?
Grabe. See?
Oh, tama
It's a
na.
broken bone. Yeah. It's a broken
bone.
vertebrae.
No, it's an inverted.
Paano yung pag may converted? Paano yung pag mga long drive, hirap ka?
Oh. Yeah.
Hirap tumayo sa sasakyan, eh.
Yep. So it's either have to recline or
Oo.
ganun.
Ay, hirap ang almoranas ha.
Hirap ang Muranas talaga.
Pag nakalabas yung...
Nakadapakang mo ang
Pag
biyahe.
tuloy naka-auslis.
Wait, Alex, they might believe
Alam ko yung tsura ng alam ko yung tsura ng almoranas. Parang yung dila mong... Labas mo na konti yung dila mo sa labi mo. Okay guys, dati na nakikinig sa radio. Kahit
Okay.
na nasaan kayo ngayon.
Labas na.
Sabay-sabay tayo. Sabay-sabay tayo. Ano to? Guinness World of Record.
The most Almoranas light.
Ilabas nyo na konti yung dila nyo. Yung dila lang ito.
Oh my gosh, you guys are you're nasty.
Ayan. Yan yung...
Oh my gosh. Ayan. You know, they're really starting to believe, ha? I don't, guys. Yeah,
Parang
don't
si
believe
Jimmy
that.
Butler. May mancha yung puwet. Tingnan nyo, viral ngayon si Jimmy Butler.
Talaga nga? Meron siya?
Oo. Nag-nikotin yung puwet.
Tapos puti yung...
Puti.
Are you serious?
Oo, Miami Heat pa naman siya. Di Heat.
Na Paul Pierce. Hindi, Golden State na si
Totoo
Jimmy
nga,
Butler.
nakita ko eh.
Golden State na, di ba?
Baka
Show
padala
me,
nun.
send me a link.
Ay, naku.
Jimmy Butler?
Oh, Jimmy Butler.
Na Jimmy si
Jimmy
Butler.
Butler. Lumipat sa Heat para lang magtae.
Parang Paul Pierce pala yan. Parang Paul Pierce.
Hindi, mas grabe to pare. Iba
Kasi
to.
meron ano?
Nag-ano eh.
Ang alam ko nagkaroon ng ganyan sa MMA fight. Promise,
Okay.
nagkaroon ng Alam mo yun?
Hindi ko alam kung
Moment.
Grabing stress yun.
Yeah.
No? Talagang
hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari sa kanya, no? Pero
nagbago yung kulay nung trunks niya. Bigla. Where there was white,
Oh my God.
now it's gone. Yung nangyari doon eh.
I
Jimmy
actually
Butler.
have a friend who wrote a book about
oh, ayan, oh.
poop.
Ayan, oh, tinan mo.
Let me see.
Fan suspects Jimmy Butler stained.
Ew.
Let me see.
Jimmy, did you find joy in Golden State?
Meron to, tinan mo. Ayan, oh.
Let me see.
Oh. Ay, maniwala. Ayan, oh.
Oh my gosh.
Tinan mo, tinan mo. Ayan, tinan mo.
Oh,
alam
gosh,
mo,
commercial.
Papakita ka talaga, nag-commercial.
Oo nga eh.
Parang tanga.
Hindi,
Ayan,
hindi
oh, ayan, oh,
namin,
ayan, oh.
hindi namin sinasabi na naniniwala kami kay
Ayan, oh.
Alex. Pero
Ew.
pwedeng believe.
Yeah.
Grabe ka pa, Com, ha?
Yak!
Oh, ayan, tinan mo. Tinan mo, ha. Ayan, oh, tinan mo. Ayan, oh. Oh, tinan mo. Mamaya, papakita yan. Tinan mo.
Pag
Kaya
naglakad na siya.
naman.
Pag naglakad na siya, teka na.
Ito. Tinan mo. Oh.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, wait, ah. Ayan, oh. Ayan, oh.
Ayan.
Oh, ayan. Ay, tinan mo.
You keep pausing it,
Ayan, oh,
dude.
ayan, oh. Ayan, oh.
That doesn't look like poop. It looks like
parang
pee.
Bahala ka.
Hindi. Sa likod.
Is it a skid mark?
Oo,
Parang gano'n,
tamang
no.
nikotin. No.
Yung napawisan ng, parang alam mo yun.
Pa-share daw ng
Oh.
link. I don't know why you guys want to even see this one.
Ano ba yan? Pwede ba masabihin yung word na yun? Para siyang Siargao. Siargao siya.
Catherine and Ignacio.
Okay,
Feed us.
everybody's having fun now on playback
Ang sabi
because of
ba?
the Almorana story.
Bakit? Ano sabi niya?
But
Send your
Ano
love.
ba yung
Send your
ano ba
love.
talaga yung scientific na sinasabi mo kanina?
it's a broken vertebrae.
O kung nagsabi ka na ng broken bone yan, di na ako nagano.
But
Almoranas.
that is the medical term for it, spondylolisthesis.
Titi ka pang inimbol. Lalo tayo. Sorry.
Sinabi. Sponge. Sinabi. Spongulus.
I'm going to be back here next week.
Ano yan? Spongulus,
Sa
ano?
Ulitin mo sinabi mo.
Sponge.
Scientific. Hindi ako magsasabi.
Spondis.
Hindi ako magsasabi.
Spondylolisthesis.
Dahan-dahanin mo.
Spondylolisthesis.
Oh, tamo. Kala ko
Parang
kasi
exam sa-
titis.
Hindi, ano yun, yung nasa mid sa college, yung thesis, parang gano'n. Spondylo.
Listhesis.
Listhesis.
Yeah. Iba pa yung spondylosis, ha?
Ano
yun?
Ano ba spondylosis?
Yeah, I don't know the difference. But it's still another
Spondyloli.
back condition.
Kaya ka nagkasakit dahil sa pag-pronounce mo niyan. Ano sakit ko to?
Spondylolisthesis.
Spondylolisthesis.
Guys,
Thesis.
we have to go.
Spondylolisthesis.
Tonight, which hotel, ulit?
Miramar Hotel.
It's sold out, by
ang
the
Hotel
way.
Mall kung saan pupunta ang mga na-deny sa US Embassy.
There you go.
Yes, okay. At
You know, see,
Hindi,
everyone on playback wants me to spell it now. Go invite everyone.
Art Deco Hotel yun, ha?
kung
Napakaluma
Almoranas din,
na.
dali mag-spell. O, di ba? O, hirap na alam ko dyan. A-L-M-O. Maran.
Spondylolisthesis.
There.
Yan.
Opo.
yan.
Okay, so Miramar? Is that Miramar?
Miramar Hotel.
Miramar Hotel tonight. It's sold out. Don't even think of buying because
Nag-announce na kami para magyabang pero
Pero February 16 talaga, may konti pa pong tickets na dito.
sa
Ticketmaster.sg.
Ticketmaster.sg.
Kita-kita tayo sa Singapore.
congratulations.
Alam mo, bago tayo napakasaya ko po dahil alam ko malaking party ang Magic 89.9. Ang sa Good Times with Mo, yung ating listener na talaga namang nagulat ako sa resulta. Super 1,000 times sa inaasahan ko. We just want an entry sa Netflix and then life goes. Parang move on kami to another part. Hindi naman tong end all and be all pero thankful kami sa naging resulta. Ang maganda maganda talaga yung produkto. Kaya nung pumasok yung mga tao para manood, nagdala talaga sila ng word of mouth. Yung talagang, spread talaga nila yung mga, panoorin nito, parang hindi nila kinahiya, parang natuwa sila at nauna sila nakapanood, parang sila yung share of. Tapos, ang dami kong mga good news na sinasabi na narinig ko na natatalunin talaga kung ano man yung mga kalokohan gusto nyo sabihin sa akin dahil sa pinanggagalingan nyo siguro. Ako magre-real talk na ako, hindi to yabang. naiintindihan ko kung bakit kayo nanggagayon sa ganyan dahil syempre ma-achieve ng isang tao yung gusto mo ma-achieve. Pero sana ginawa tong motivation. Kasi ako naging motivation ko rin yung mga ibang mga comedians eh. Pero in a positive way. Hindi yung parang, oy, nauna siya, siraan natin siya. Hindi. Ang ginawa ko, uy, nauna siya, thank you at magkakaroon din kami ng opportunity. Ngayon, ito nangyari sa akin, hindi ko susumbat sa inyo na, oy, ako nauna, ako ano. I think, opportunity to na para patunay natin na may stand-up comedy na following para sa lahat.
There you
Yun.
go. There
Hindi
you
to sa akin, hindi to sa comedy crew. Huwag tayong magplastikan para to sa stand-up comedy in general.
Nice.
So, yun. Kung
Well
sino man,
said,
kung sino
well
man ang...
said.
Kaya pag pangit ang naging resulta, apektado tayo pag maganda. So, ang kailangan natin, pagbutihin natin lahat at wag tayong magsiraan kasi hindi talaga siya makakatulong. So, ibig sabihin ito, in the following months, do what you prepare. Hindi lang siya, kahit sa maliliit na mga lugar, pwede tayong mag-perform. Nasa stand-up comedy tayo na bar, pagbutihin natin ang pagbutihin, lahat tayo. Pagkatapos ito, hindi naman ako uupo lang sa tabi na, that's it. No, pagkatapos ito, alam ni Israel yan kung anong ginawa ko nung nag-number 1 ako kinabukasan. Sabi ko, guys, we need to work because the pressure is on us to follow up on that on this achievement. Hindi to,
Wow.
that's
Amen.
it. Hindi naman to Kami sa stand-up sa comedy crew, hindi ko alam kung para sa lahat, we're only good doon sa last performance namin. And that's also our defense pag may bad naman, there's another day for tomorrow. So yun lang, coming from my heart. Kung ano man yung nababasa niyo, wag natin encourage ang masyado nang masama ang, hindi mo ba kayo nadala ng pandemic kung nakulong tayo at kailangan pa natin,
Group
diba?
hug. Group hug.
So
Congrats.
straight lang kasi naiintindihan ko mga hindi natawa, may mga preference yan. Pero yung mga alam mo kung saan man kung ano man yung hinahanapan pa ng butas, kung ano man, mag-enjoy na lang tayo.
Chatty says you're only as good as your last performance.
Yeah, so binuo mo lang yung sinabi ko pero salamat na rin.
Hindi ibig sabihin.
Yun na nga yun.
Ito katulad ito, good day sir, ma-share ko lang sa'yo. So, sa sobrang kuwang-kuwa ako ng humor mo, ito ang kwento. Pinanood namin kahapon ng miss ko yung Ang Tamang Panahon sa Netflix. Kinagabihan, ginising ako ng miss ko kasi tumatawa raw ako habang natutulog. Sabi ng miss ko habang ginigising ako, huy, bakit ka tumatawa? So yun napapanaginipan mo. Which nakakatakot na tanong yun, di ba? Parang sabi ko sa kanya, ginagawa ko tong joke na to na pag tumatawa ka, baka sabihin niya nauna siya sa joke mo. May joke ako na pag tumatawa ka, nakakatakot yun pag ginising ka ng misis mo. Ba't ka tumatawa? Kasi ultimo sa panaginip mo, ayaw ka maging masaya ng misis mo. Ganun yung joke ko. Pero to, sabi ng misis ko habang ginigising ako, ba't ka tumatawa nung napanaginip mo? Ako itong naanipungatan mga 5 seconds bago sumugot at pupungas-pungas. Si Alex sabay tulog ulit. Sinabi niya si Alex sabay tulog ulit. Napaisip ng buong gabi yung misis ko, sino si Alex? Ngayong umaga lang, napagtanto niya yung ikaw yung Alex na tinutukoy ko. Mabuti na lang ikaw nabanggit ko, sir. Ligtas. Utot mo, may Alex na babae. Tinamay mo pa ako sa kalokohan mo. Sino yun?
My brother JC said, end mo daw ng I have a friend.
Oo.
Diba?
And I have a friend. Pero thank you very much, guys. Ito pa nasabi ko to, Tina. Nakakatuwa. Kasi you can have bad performance sa small stage. Diba? Buti na lang, yung magandang performance ko, doon nangyari sa big stage. So yun lang. Kaya doon ako nagpapasalamat. It was tamang panahon talaga. It was perfect timing. The ad-lib, the reaction of that girl na nag-crowd work ako, kaya naiba yung tono ng stand-up ko. And I think, medyo may tama tayong ginagawa. Kaya tayo nagkaaga nito. Yun lang naman ang sagot ko dyan. Yan.
Now I'm getting emotional. Guys! Ayan. So
Yun.
guys, again, more power to the comedy crew from Exhibit. Parang lahat naman ng YouTube videos wala namang bad kahit small stage. Okay? Thank you to everyone on Playback. And again, good luck, Singapore tour.
Relive the drama.
Relive the magic.
Friday Madness.
Magic 89.9.